Hi everyone, Chris Hale here from Profit Squirrel. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing really well. I'm back here today with another Profit Squirrel vlog talking about match betting internationally. Is match betting something that you can do outside of the UK? And I'm mentioning this because as Profit Squirrel is growing, what we're actually seeing is more and more people sending in questions to support, asking in the groups and on the forum. They're telling us, I live outside the UK, and they're asking us, can I still get involved? Can I still use Profit Squirrel, and can I make money with match betting? Well, the short answer is yes, but there are a few things that you need to be aware of if you are outside of the UK and you want to be making money with match betting. So the most common scenario that we're actually seeing is people that join Profit Squirrel, they get into the offers, they're making money, they're loving it, and then they're actually moving abroad and they're going to Australia, Singapore, wherever, maybe for work, maybe for family reasons, and they're already all set up in the UK, but they want to know if they can carry on when they go abroad. So if that's your situation, then it's entirely possible that you can carry on match betting. And the main thing you need is something called a VPN, which is a little bit of software that basically allows you to change the IP address of your computer, allows you to appear as if you are in the UK. And we do have members that are match betting abroad, and they're using those such services to make sure that they don't have problems accessing sites in the UK. And that, of course, is if you were a UK resident and you still want to be completing offers in the UK. If you have never been a UK resident and you're not going to be moving over here, then there might be some restrictions on the offers that you can complete. But the main restriction tends to be, is there a betting exchange in your country where you can actually do the lay part of the bet? Because what we've actually put together on our blog post here, and I'm going to link to this below the video, is a list of countries where it is possible to do match betting because the amount of offers that you get from the bookmakers are pretty good, and there is also an exchange in that country to support the lay part of the bet. So I won't go into it too much, you can see it on the blog post, but Australia is of course a big one, Bulgaria, Denmark, Germany. There's quite a few countries here that you can actually get offers and complete the back part with that bookmaker and the lay part with the betting exchange. And of course, you can use the Profit Squirrel tools and software in order to help you calculate your match bets in those countries. Before you start doing any sort of international match betting, what I would suggest is that you just double check this criteria here. I mean, some of these are the standard match betting things that you have to tick off, like you have to be over 18 years of age and have some sort of proof of identity that comes around when you want to withdraw the funds. But also I would suggest just confirming the eligibility with the bookmaker support channel. Have a look at those, but the short answer is that yes, in general, it often is possible to carry on match betting if you move abroad or to find some sort of alternative in your own country. If you're going to be match betting abroad and you want to make use of the Profit Squirrel tools and software, then you can use the code WORLD when you sign up to premium membership, and that'll save you 10% off your membership price. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you found this video useful. It's so interesting to see how match betting is growing globally and how people from different countries and geographics are getting interested and involved. How about yourself? Are you based in the UK or are you based abroad? And if you're abroad, are you doing match betting wherever you are in the world? Please drop me a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Hit the like button if you've enjoyed this. And of course, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you keep up to date with the latest information from Profit Squirrel. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all again very soon in another Profit Squirrel video.